Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports. Now, Jamaica's World Cup qualification match against the Dominican Republic has been brought forward by 3 hours. The game was originally scheduled for 6:30 p.m. However, after an evaluation by CONCACAF, it was determined that the lighting was still not adequate for an evening kickoff. A last-ditch effort was made to rectify this lighting situation at the stadium on Tuesday, with Major Desmond Brown, General Manager of Independence Park Limited, telling TVJ Sports then that the lighting met the required standards.
Readings are within specs, and we'll be sending information to CONCACAF shortly. We don't know what will happen, but as you can see, there's been a vast improvement, and we thank some people for helping us get in there.
The second qualification match against Dominica will be on June 9 at 3 p.m. Jamaica time. Now, a second replacement has been called up to the Reggae Boyz squad for their upcoming World Cup qualifying assignments. Captain of Jamaica Premier League champions Cavalier, defender Gadiel Irving is the latest invitee, replacing Seattle Sounders player John Bell. Irving says he's excited at the possibility of representing the country as they seek only a second ever berth at the FIFA World Cup.
It feels good to be a part of a squad. I've been waiting for this call-up. I was so excited. I just cannot explain how did I feel. I'm looking to get my debut, definitely.
Jamaica's Reggae Girls were beaten 4-0 by Brazil in their final game of their 2-match friendly series. That was yesterday. Jennifer da Silva Cordinali Gueva netted a double with goals in the 64th and 79th minutes. The other scorers for the Brazilians were Deborah Christian de Oliveira and in the 7th and Marta in the 84th. Now, Jamaica's coach Hubert Busby said he was satisfied with the improvements that the team showed. The Busby coached team lost the first encounter 4-0.
And I definitely was pleased with how we came and approached this game. Obviously not the result that we want. We come into every match to win the game and to get a result. But overall, the challenge was the team to compete and show a better performance, and they did that tonight.
Now, former West Indies players Franklin Rose and Darren Powell believe the Caribbean men were too nervous in their opening win against Papua New Guinea at the ICC T20 World Cup on Sunday. Speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill on Monday, Rose said games like those were of significance.
We got a little bit too relaxed, You play against those weak teams, man. Come on, rip them apart, Not being rude against the opponent, but come on. These games, as I said, the net run rates are very important.
With Rose that the West Indies should start brightly, doesn't believe Papua New Guinea is a team that should be underestimated.
I'm not going to say it's a weak team because it's a World Cup. People have to qualify these days to get into a competition, and everybody's coming to a World Cup expecting to win. So if you don't put on a good show, you're going to get lost. You're going to lose a game. Don't care of the conditions in which we play.
The West Indies will next be in action against Uganda on Saturday. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Shamela?
Thank you, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.